To enable notification page for smoke and fire alarm alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and page is on, tap notification categories. Under emergency section, tap smoke and fire alarms. While the alert for smoke and fire alarm notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to app icon pages to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. By doing this, when sound notification feature is on and it detects smoke or fire alarm, your phone will show notification page on the sound notification icon on your app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.